Welcome to Anil TV Educations. Today's our topic in direct speech and indirect speech. So here in how the tenses has been changed into the past tense form. So here you see direct speech and indirect speech will or shall or can or may plus V1. So here how we will write will go, shall go, can go. So here like that. In when comes to indirect, would, could, should plus V1 would go. So it changes to would go. Will goes changes to would go. So here V1 in the form of third person yes or es is there. So here go goes. So in the indirect went. In V2 went has been changed to had plus V3. So here go went gone. So here V3 form is gone, had gone. So here was or were plus V4. So here go went gone going. So here he was or were going. So here how it has been changed in indirect speech means had been plus V4. So here go, went, gone, going. So had been going. So here had plus V3. So had plus V3 is from had gone. So here also the in indirect speech it comes same. So had gone remains the same means had gone. So here had been plus V4 means had been going. So here also it remains the same had been going. So here the difference how the tense has been changed in the direct and indirect speech. Now we will discuss that how it does what it does not changes. In the tense in the reported past does not change its following condition. So here when the reported word is in the present tense or in the future tense, so here the reported part does not change. So here you see Rani says I am learning music. So here says is there no. So here comma apostrophe has changes to this has been changes to that. So whenever you find like that, so it is in the direct speech. When comes to the indirect speech, here comma and apostrophe has changed to that. Rani says that she. I is changed to she. Am is changed to is. She is learning music. So here next, when the reported part is universal truth or fact or a habitual action. So here you see example. The teacher said that. So here the teacher said the sun rises in the east. So the here the sun rises in the east is the universal truth. So here said comma and apostrophe has been changed to the teacher said that the sun rises in the east. So here now we see the words expressing nearness in the place or time are changed into the words of distance when the time and place are of reported are different. So here in direct speech how it changes into the indirect speech. So this is changes, this is in the nearness. So here that is the farness. So here you see these changes to that, these changes to those, here changes to there, now changes to then, thus, in that way, ago, before, today, that day, tonight, that night. So here tomorrow, the next day, hereby, thereby, henceforward, thenceforward, last night, the night before, last next week, the following week. So come, go. So here these such words are nearby are changes into the forwards. Indirect speech, the near one when it converts into the indirect speech, it goes to forward.